Have you ever wanted to share an Excel file directly on your WordPress site without installing any plugins? In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to embed an Excel file into your WordPress page using only the built-in site editor. Let's get started. Begin by opening your web browser and heading over to your WordPress website. Once your site loads, look toward the top right corner of the screen and click on the Login option. This will take you to the login page where you can access your WordPress account. Instead of typing in a username and password, you'll notice an option that says Continue with Google. Click on that, then choose the Google account you want to use for signing in. It's a quick and secure way to log into your site. After logging in, you'll be taken to your WordPress dashboard. Now that you're inside, look for the plus icon at the top left corner. Here, you'll see multiple options. Click whatever you want to do. Click that. This will open up the site editor where you can make changes to your content and layout without using any extra plugins. Inside the site editor, take a look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a small plus icon. Click on it to add new content. When the search field appears, type the word file. You'll now see a list of available blocks related to files. Select the block simply named file. This is the built-in WordPress feature that lets you upload and display downloadable files directly on your page. Once you've selected it, a file upload box will appear. Click the upload button, then browse your computer to find the Excel file you want to embed. Select the file, and WordPress will begin uploading it to your page. When the upload finishes, you should see the name of your Excel file appear right on the page along with the download link. This confirms that the file has been successfully added. Visitors to your website will now be able to view or download the Excel document directly from your page. Before moving on, double check the preview to make sure the file name looks correct and that everything is aligned properly. Once you're happy with how it looks, click the Save button at the top right corner of the editor. This will publish your changes live on your website. And that's it. You've just embedded an Excel file on your WordPress site without using any plugins. This method is simple, efficient, and perfect for beginners. You can use it to share reports, data sheets, or any important Excel documents with your audience in just a few clicks. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more WordPress tips, and share it with others who might need an easy way to upload files. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.